In this tutorial, you'll learn how to generate personalized PDF documents for multiple recipients using XERIA. Start on the watermark page and select List-Based Batch Production. This mode creates personalized PDFs from a single template document. Configure your watermark settings just like any other PDF workflow. Choose the template document, create the watermark, and verify the result in the live preview. When the watermark settings are ready, continue to the batch processing page. Create recipient lists directly inside XERIA. You can add, edit, organize, and manage recipients without using external files. If you already have recipient information in Excel, you can import the file and map its columns into the XERIA database. Each recipient can have a name, email address, company ID, permissions, and optional PDF passwords. Use the Watermark text builder to insert recipient information into the watermark. Every generated PDF automatically receives personalized content. Additional security options allow you to encrypt documents, apply permission restrictions, and add hidden traceable QR codes. Optionally create reusable email templates and signatures for automated delivery. Generate PDF creates personalized PDF files for every recipient in the selected list. If the PDF files were already generated and reviewed, Send Email only delivers them without creating the documents again. Generate PDF and Send performs both steps automatically in a single workflow. Every recipient receives a unique personalized PDF generated from the same template document. With XERIA, you can generate, protect, and deliver personalized PDF documents at scale from a single professional workflow.